Here's one new Atlassian feature you didn't know you needed. Introducing System Health. And if you are using any of the Atlassian cloud products and you've ever experienced some sort of a hiccup or an outage, then you definitely want to check out the rest of this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and let's jump in. So Atlassian is rolling out this new functionality called System Health. And this is going to be a personalized dashboard for your Atlassian org admins. So that means this is not related to just Jira or just Confluence, but rather this is going to sit on top of both Jira and Confluence, and it's going to be at the admin.atlassian.com. And if you've ever been the administrator for a cloud product, then you know exactly what I'm talking about here. Admin.com is where a lot of magical things happen. But what exactly is System Health? Well, imagine this scenario. Your team is logging into Jira, but except they can't. Or maybe they can log into Jira, but they're having a hard time creating work, or they can't save something, or they can't add a comment, or automation rules are not happening. These are all true stories, true scenarios that I have personally witnessed in the world of Atlassian in the last 24 months. And so things go down in Atlassian Cloud. As much as Atlassian likes to say, hey, our system doesn't go down, incidents and hiccups do happen. But how do you find out, right? How do you know when something has gone wrong, when Jira's acting up, and when you have an outage of sorts? And so normally, typically, you go to status.atlassian.com. And when you go to status.atlassian.com, you get a generic overview of all the applications, Jira, Confluence, Jira Service Management. And then when you go into each one, you get a breakdown of capabilities: create work, view work, edit work, automation rules, things of that nature, right? You get a bunch of individually, are these things working or not working? But it's a generic statement, and you have to wait. You have to wait until users start reporting problems, and then you have to wait for Atlassian to figure out, okay, so which region is this affecting? Because normally the way Atlassian's set up, thankfully, is that not all of Jira goes down worldwide, but rather sections, right? So it's typically related to some sort of an AWS or GCP problem, and we have some incidents that way. So they're usually regional, but still very generic, right? And so what this System Health is going to do is, rather than just give you super generic, super general information for outages, you're going to get, for your specific system, your specific applications that you're using, the status of your apps. And so this is what it's going to look like inside of your view. So you're going to be able to go to admin.atlassian.com. There's going to be, under audit log, you're going to have System Health, and then it's going to tell you the statuses of your systems. If you are on the enterprise plan, you're going to get a 5-day preview, or at least a 5-day heads up for any scheduled maintenance that's coming up. So you're going to be able to see that information if you are an enterprise customer, so you can at least anticipate some potential downtime. But this is a really cool view, and I'm really happy that Atlassian is making this available. I think this is really important. I don't think a lot of people even know to go to status.atlassian.com. And so being able to have a place and a location locally where you can go see the status of Jira, because Jira behaves in wonky ways every once in a while. And this is really good to have a good place to reliably go and understand what's going on. And you're going to be able to see the different statuses of things that are being investigated, if the problem has been identified, if they're monitoring the fix, right? Or if it's completely been resolved. And this is a really handy feature. I'm very excited for this one. I think this is really cool. One other piece of note that I want to call out is that you're going to be able to monitor the operational status of your Atlassian apps. So this is key. You're going to get automated alerts for Jira, Confluence, JSM, and Bitbucket. You can be able to view site-level incident and resolution data. You have access to the 90-day history, and you're going to be able to review postmortems for large incidents. This is Atlassian doing a report when something has gone horribly wrong on their end. Again, if you're on the enterprise side of the house, you're going to get a 5-day advance notice for any maintenance windows coming up. And something that's coming up next, a new feature, new add-ons that they're adding to this, is going to be the ability to receive System Health via webhooks or user-specified email addresses, ensuring the right people are notified on the platforms that they use the most. So this is very important, right? So if you're a Jira admin, especially for those of you coming from data center to the cloud, in the cloud, you're kind of handicapped a little bit more. You're really at the mercy of Atlassian. Up until this moment, we have to go to status.atlassian.com to see if things are down, if things are working, or what's going on. And so this is going to make it way more personalized and way more efficient and way easier for you to find out this critical information. And then very soon, we'll actually be able to get some notifications so that we're also in the loop. Because I don't know about you, but as a Jira admin, I'm expected to be at the forefront, right? I'm expected to know every single detail and every single thing about my Jira, my Confluence, my Atlassian tools. And so this is just going to make your life easier as a Jira admin. So comment down below if you're excited for this System Health feature, or if you're not going to be excited for it, in any case, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, share this with your Jira admins, share this with your coworkers and everybody else that you think might get some value out of this. And I'll see you in the next one. Hey, I want to let you know about a special 2-day event that I'm doing completely free on October 27th and 28th in Dallas, Texas. This is going to be an in-person only event. We're calling the Build It Together Atlassian Tools Community Conference, aka BIT Dallas. All you got to do is go to the link down in the description and log in to RSVP. Whatever email you use to log in, that's where we're going to be communicating with you. So make sure you remember that email that you're going to be using. This is going to be the event that you want to attend if you want to actually learn from real professionals, real experts, how to actually use the tools and actually do productive things that you and your company and your enterprise can use and leverage and hopefully get an ROI. Then make sure you sign up for this completely free event, October 27th and the 28th. Let your manager know, get those travel funds approved, and I'll see you in October.